Are we about to get into this? We're about to get into this. They're stage striking. Do you want to hold them? No.
No.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
All right. Smash Brothers. Here we go.
Smash Brothers.
Is he go? They're going to FD. Oh no.
Ready?
This seems really bad. This seems really bad.
Why is it really bad?
So Samus and Luigi are both characters with high ground mobility, and you really want platforms to be able to move around quickly throughout the stage with both of them. And ice climbers really like it when their opponents are on the ground, so that way they can just follow them. You can't really escape the platforms.
Well, wobbling's not as big.
It's not as big of a deal, but it is like still a relevant thing. You might not wobble them like to 200 and then get a kill.
Oh my god!
Oh, the misfire. All right.
Misfires into his own teammate.
Another misfire.
Jesus Christ.
So the Luigi player is blessed.
Blessed.
Oh, all right. So I don't like the idea of Pikachu being the stock tank on this team, because Pikachu is way more aggressive as a character. But every team needs a stock tank, and Pikachu has a good enough cover.
That's fair, man.
Ooh, big time.
It smells like something's like burning in here. I don't know.
It also smells like bagel.
Kind of.
Not too far.
Burning bagel.
Possibly. We're not too far from the bagel.
Can we burn all the bagels that
Oh, we got a wobble. Teammate comes in to break it up, but that's like a pretty free 70%. Got from that.
Pikachu could have came in with us.
Yeah. Yeah, these guys need to work together to break up Samus's group. Samus is still low enough to break into it. That was a good idea. Wow, big combo. That's what I hate about doubles. There's like so much more.
I'm just...
Especially with ice climbers.
Yeah.
There's 5 characters. 3 of these characters make stupid particle effects. It's just nonsense.
I don't know, I'm just trying to analyze like individual, I guess, players and like what they can do better. Like for example, I think the Luigi could be doing a little bit better of a job of using space.
Yeah.
Ground movement. But I mean, it is enough to take it, you know.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's like.
Yeah. I mean, from this Ice Climbers and Pikachu team, what I really want to be seeing happening is them both like using their multi-hitting moves to try and beat up Samus. Samus needs to be beat up like before you can actually
Yeah, because Samus is that weird floaty character that doesn't.
heaviest floaties. Already lost that.
Going high. Shout out to all the homies at Illinois State University, holding down the fort. It's my first time back here. Hot.
Yeah, ISU's like always a safe place to be.
Yeah. Definitely wish I could make it down here more often.
It's tough to come down.
Yeah, it's definitely
Big fun. I need to close out this head card. Alright. Let's go somewhere. Everything's taking a lot of wobble them. I want to see them team wobble the ice climbers. Man, sometimes 2v1s feel easier than when you have your team.
Sometimes. When you're spooked.
Yeah.
When you get spooked, you get
Oh, wow.
Yeah, see, ooh.
2 stocks already. Okay. Comeback of the century. Okay, never mind. Forget I said it.
Comeback of the century. Immediately is.
Yeah, immediately.
Thanks, Havard.
Well, that's why you call it, right? Commentator's curse.
Don't.
I want to get the next match on stream right away. So I called it to immediately end the game.
You're just like, ha, I've cursed you.
As a TO,
I'm
like,
cursed.
move. Come on. Just give up already.
We'll go see if there's another match.
Nah, doubles doesn't exist. Alright guys, who wants to hang out on Reddit with me? Time to read Reddit threads out loud to the entire chat. No, I'm kidding. Oh, we're going to get the same team back. Alright. ORLY and Hot, who are, I believe, the #1 seed at this event. That's ORLY, the top player from Chicago, and Hot, his friend and I believe training partner, or one of a few training partners. Versus, same thing we just had. ORLY Hot. HKRoot and
From the previous match.
Now we get to see what happens when they play against very
Falcon.
good players. Yeah, and Falcon.
Falcon. It's like pretty good in teams. It's alright. He gets grabs. He gets off-stage edge
damn,
guards.
that was really sad.
Piper's cheddar.
He typed in cheddar, and I thought he was going to hit H at the end instead of R, and that would have been way more hype. Cheddar.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're right in it. Oh, this is already bad.
It's took ORLY to stadium.
Yeah, that's bad, but also they immediately got sandwiched in between both of them.
Joey. Riches.
These are 2 characters who have like really good range on their materials and are pretty good at controlling space. So it's gonna be tough to like stay out of their space.
Well, I mean, same Samus got missiles.
Yeah, missiles
camp on the
Missiles
other
help.
side.
Luigi's ability to wave dash in to like punish with aerials is pretty good, but the ability to cover your teammate is also pretty strong.
Oh my god, Chris just throwing out a knee into his teammate. No regard for human life.
The absolute disregard for human life.
Health off stage.
Honestly, you know who I want to see commentate Melee at least once? JR from WWE.
Yeah.
He like finished the combo on Chris. Joey and Hot is the best team now. It's official because they just beat each other up too. It's the absolute most action possible.
Yeah, that's right.
Beating up the other team, beating each other up. Nothing but pure action.
Oh my god, Chris, you're fucking nuts.
He always goes for Falcon Punch. It's not anything. For those of you who haven't seen
I've been defeated.
oh, all right, let's go. Luigi 2v1.
Oh.
These players are good. Close minutes.
Oh, thrown him down. Existential depression.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I gave it. Yeah, you good. Hi, John.
Damn, did you guys see Chris staring into the camera? Can somebody clip that? Can somebody clip Chris staring into the camera for all of about half a second?
I think it's because the player cam is visible to the players.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I mean, if I get a stream match, I'm gonna stare into the camera. It's just gotta happen. Oh, Joey going Fox. I don't think I've ever seen this Fox before. I know he plays Fox.
No. This is Chris going Fox.
Oh, it's Chris going Fox. Okay, I have seen Chris's Fox. To be honest, I've had last stock, last hit games against Chris's Fox. It's like hype sometimes, but honestly, he's very inconsistent when he plays Fox. And I think he knows it, which is why he's been sticking with the Falcon.
Oh, just 2 up airs, 2 stocks.
2 up airs, 2 stocks, 2 teams. Only one can make it out. It's Bird's Nest 2. Baby.
Yeah, Havard? Is this what we've come to?
I don't even think that was like me.
2 hours of sleep. 2 hours of driving. 2 stocks remaining for HKRoot in the bar.
Each. 2 players.
2 players, 2 stocks. Oh, now 3. Fuck, it's over.
Somebody's gonna make a kill Chris.
I mean, Chris is gonna die eventually. It's true.
Yeah, Chris will die eventually. I mean, that's the sad thing about the human experience.
Yeah.
Mortality is a shit.
I'm fucking sorry. I just ruined it.
Yeah. Apologize to stream. Apologize to the chat. They're probably sad about it.
I'm fucking sorry. Chat. You're gonna die.
They're all thinking about it.
They're all gonna die. Sorry.
They're all thinking about it.
Just like Marth will maybe die this game.
Just like HKRoot and Bard are also thinking about that. Probably. I don't want to get into their heads too much.
Oh my God, Joey.
What was that? That was like a complete, utter disrespect.
They're just like, flail off stage.
Go!
Just like, go. Alright, folks.
The classic double strategy of run at the opponent.
Run at the opponent. Do the thing. I'm gonna find a match.